Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Professor Shabbir. Today we are solving a problem given to us by one of our best students in our class, Elliot Boucher. It gives us two pizza slices, one at $1.50 and one at $1.70, and it asks which is a better deal than the other. Now you see, as someone who, not to brag, got an almost perfect score on the math section of the SAT, this kind of napkin math is very easy for me. So without further ado, let's get started. So essentially what we're trying to do is find out which is a better deal than the other one. In other words, which is the most bang for our buck, but in a way that kind of, makes sense in the context of this problem. Which one gives us the most area for dollars spent? So what we want to do is we want to find the area of each of these two pizza slices. For simplicity, I will label this one as A and this one as B. So now we have to find the area of these pizza slices, which, poses our first problem. These pizza slices are not a full pizza. You see, if it was a full pizza, say, for example, something around this size, the area would be very simple. Area equals pi r squared, right? Given a radius of some certain amount, the area would equal pi r squared. But we're not given a full pizza, we're just given a segment of a pizza slice. So what some of you guys may be thinking is what we can do is we can find the area of the full pizza and divide it by the number of slices. But you see, we don't have the number of slices either. So what we have to do is some basic algebraic manipulation in order to figure out the area of each pizza slice. So given this equation, area equals pi r squared, what we want to do is we want to figure out how we can divide the total area by each pizza slice. This problem gives us one very, very important thing, and that is what degree each pizza slice is of the total circle. As we already should know, a total circle is 360 degrees. This first pizza slice is 60 degrees, and the second pizza slice is 45 degrees. So therefore, this first pizza slice represents 60 over 360 of the full pizza. And this one represents 45 over 360 of the full pizza. So all we have to do is multiply these two proportions by the total area in order to figure out the area of each slice. Let's go ahead and do that. The area of slice A equals the total, the proportion of each pizza slice, so 60 over 360 times pi times the radius, which is given to us here, 6 inches, squared. So 6 squared. And if we use a calculator to multiply this out, we get 60 over 360 times pi times 36, 6 times 6, which is 36. We get, let me make sure my calculator is in degree mode because we're dealing with degrees, although it's not very important. We get an area of 18.85 centimeters. Inches, because we have it in inches squared. Now let's do the same thing for the second pizza slice. The area of B equals 45 over 360 times pi times the radius, which is 7 squared. The area of B equals, once again, plug this into our calculator, 45 over 360 times pi times 49. We get 19.24. So now we have the area of each individual pizza slice. There's just one more thing we have to do, is figure out which one is a better deal. Like I mentioned earlier, what we're looking for is the total area divided by the cost, or area per cost. So all we want to do is take this area and divide it by the cost of each pizza slice. So 18.85 divided by the total cost, which is 1.5, equals around 12.57 inches per dollar. Let me make a better dollar sign, because this is inches squared, inches squared, because this is inches squared per dollar. So this is our final thing, 12.57 inches squared per dollar. Now we do the same thing over here, 19.24 divided by the price of this one is 1.7, which gives us, plug this into our calculator one more time, 11.32 inches squared per dollar. So now obviously, which one is the bigger one? Well, it looks like A, because 12.57 is greater than 11.32, so therefore slice A is a better deal. All right, well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.